Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mule, and today is Wednesday, January 15th, 2025. Got a runny nose? Well, that tells me one thing, that the body is trying to self-correct itself by eliminating the toxins, and it tells me they got a congested lymphatic system in the face. So what we want to do is apply those hands-on skills. Before you do that, you want to know what it is that you're applying, and that is the connective tissue. So I would really encourage any practitioner out there to sign up for it, to understand how the lymph system and the fascia go hand in hand, and why it's so important not only to understand it, but how to use it. So come and join me for the first step, the introduction to connective tissue. At our next webinar, you can go to www.healequine.com/class-schedule. You got a question? Email me at info@healequine.com. When everyone says no, we say yes in 2025. Believe in the possible.